So this is a review for the final exam. Posted in Blackboard, there's this blank exam, and there's also a key. So if you just want to go look at the key, you can do that as well. It's much longer than the actual exam will be, but it's just, questions for you to review and get ready for the final. The exam is Saturday, December 4th at 1:20. 1:20 to 3:50, but I'll probably allow a little longer for the cutting and pasting from Excel and whatnot. You can take the exam in Blackboard just like we've been doing all along, or if you prefer to take it in person, you can in room 209. All right, so first step, a journal entry question. I'm just going to do a separate sheet for each one. I'm going to do it that way. Okay. ABC Company completed the following transactions during September. Analyze each transaction, make the appropriate journal entry. There will be a final exam problem with a variety of journal entries, and it'll be 2 points per entry with 15 entries worth 30 points. This usually seems to be the longest one for most people because you have to get through 15 journal entries. These would be, what's here would be similar to what you would find on the test. So, September 1st. Customer pays cash in advance for consulting services to be performed in October. So we got cash, and we haven't earned it yet, so it's unearned revenue. So it's cash and unearned revenue for the 4,000. Make this a little smaller. I like the way that looks. All right, 9.2. Paid cash for interest to holders of bonds payable. So we paid people that we're paying the interest expense to people that bought bonds from us. So it's interest expense for 2,000 and cash for 2,000. 9.3. Issued 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $1 per share in exchange for land with a market value of 80,000. So I got land. I recorded it market value of 80,000, and I issued common stock in return. Common stock had a par value of $1, so the most I can put in the stock account is the par value, so 5,000 shares times $1, and then the difference goes into paid in excess. 9.4. Provide consulting services for a customer on account for 9,000 with terms net 30. So I provide some services on account, so they still owe me money. That's an account receivable. And service revenue is my credit for 9,000. 9.5. Pay employee salaries in cash. So salaries expense and cash for 7,500. 9.6. Purchase office supplies on account. So I bought office supplies, so I'm going to debit office supplies on account, so it's account payable. And it was 1,500. I'm going to go ahead and write the terms here so I just remember them. And it's 210 net 30. So I get a 2% discount if I pay for them in 10 days. On the 14th, I signed a note payable in exchange for computer equipment. So I bought some computer equipment and I paid for it with a note payable. $9.20. Received the cash from the account from 9/4 for $9,000. So this was paid to me. So I got cash and account receivable. Line 21. Paid 3 months insurance in advance using $6,000 cash. So since I paid for it in advance, it's prepaid insurance. And cash goes out the door. $924. Purchase merchandise inventory, paying cash $50,000. So debit to merchandise inventory. Credit to cash for $50,000. $925. Purchased merchandise inventory on account with terms net 30. So same basic entry, but accounts payable is the credit. So merch inventory. $931. Pay cash for the account from 9/6 is outside the discount date, so the discount does not apply. So 9/6 up here. We bought office supplies for $1,500 on account with terms 2% paid within 10 days, but the 10 days have already gone, so I have to pay the full $1,500. $931. Internalized entry for depreciation expense. So depreciation expense and accumulated depreciation for $500. September 31st, last one. Analyze the adjusting journal entry when consulting service work has been completed, but cash is not yet received from the customer. So we need accrue revenue. So that's account receivable. And service revenue for $2,000. Okay, this is from chapter 14, I believe. The next question. And I think I might actually upload this video and start a second video.